Hello everyone, I'm Anmol and today I'll be presenting the work I've done along with my colleague Hari Prasad at Bosch. Our work is titled Using Integrated Gradients to Explain Linguistic Acceptability Learned by BERT. So the motivation behind our work was we wanted to explain the decision-making process of BERT for distinguishing between linguistically acceptable and unacceptable sentences. Our work addresses the following research questions. Firstly, can layer integrated gradient attribution scores, also known as LIGAS, be used to explain the linguistic acceptability criteria learned by BERT? Secondly, can LIGAS of a constituency parse tree, also known as CPT, give insight on linguistically acceptable versus unacceptable sentences? And lastly, is there a relationship between LIGAS and the prediction confidence of the model? So let me start by giving a brief background on the model we have used and also the integrated gradients technique. So the BERT model has been a breakthrough in language understanding and it leverages the multi-head self-attention mechanism in its architecture. So for example, the BERT based model has a 12 encoder layers which are stacked. Now the integrated gradients is a technique which aims to explain the relationship between a model's prediction and its features. So the legas are computed as the integrated gradients between the model output and a particular layer's input or output. So in our experiments, we have computed the legas between the model's predicted output and the input embedding of the word. Now, a large positive or negative legas score indicates that the feature strongly increases or decreases the network output respectively, whereas a score close to zero indicates that the feature does not influence the network output. Now, the data set we have used for our experiments is the COLA data set, and we have run our experiments on 5 different categories of sentences within the COLA data set. And we have used the fine-tuned version of the BERT-based uncased model on the COLA data set. And we have used the Transformers Interpret library for computing the LIGAS and Stanford Core NLP library for constructing the constituency parse trees. Now, the first experiment we ran was to find which are the most common CPT patterns on the different categories of sentences and what are the subtrees which are having the largest ligas in the respective category. Now, the ligas for a subtree is equal to the sum of the ligas of the words appearing as leaf nodes in a particular subtree. Now, as we can see in table 1, for each of the different categories, we found that the ligas for linguistically acceptable sentences are significantly smaller in comparison to unacceptable sentences. Further, we also saw that there are specific subtrees of the CPT for both acceptable and unacceptable sentences which contribute larger ligas. This is especially important in the case of linguistically unacceptable sentences where we can identify which subtrees is potentially causing the sentence to become linguistically unacceptable. Secondly, we also wanted to do an assessment of the ligas for correctly classified sentences and misclassified sentences. So as we can see in table 2, across the different categories of sentences, we observed that 88% to 100% of the correctly classified sentences had positive ligas. Further, we saw that 57% of the misclassified sentences had positive ligas, which we believe that they can become correctly classified sentences if the ligas are parameterized in the loss function of the model. Next, we wanted to see if there is a relationship between the prediction confidence of the model and the ligas. On the left side scatter plot for correctly classified sentence, we can see that most of the points are on the top right quadrant, indicating that positive ligas have a strong relationship to the prediction confidence of the model. On the right side scatter plot for misclassified sentences, we can see that there is an abundance of negative ligas, indicating that the features disagreed with the model's prediction. Hence, we believe that ligas can serve as a correction mechanism to the model's prediction. Figure 1b shows a sample ligas visualization for a linguistically unacceptable sentence and the words which contributed towards it. To conclude, we believe that ligas are a reliable metric for explaining linguistic acceptability in BERT-based models, And also the CPT ligas provide interpretable insights on which subtree patterns are potentially not adhering to linguistically acceptable patterns. We believe that our proposed method can provide useful insights in deployable settings where linguistic acceptability is crucial. Thank you.